Are you in the Kiama area and facing issues with your garage door remote control? Often, the problem could be as simple as dead batteries or as complex as interference and reprogramming needs. Don't let a faulty remote leave you stuck outside your own garage. Call us today at 0409-774-111 for a quick fix. Our team of qualified professionals in Kiama is ready to diagnose and resolve your remote control problems swiftly, ensuring your garage door is as responsive as ever. Get back to convenience and security with just one call. Reach out now.